This is my soldering iron's tip. You can see the depth of crate created at the tip of the soldering iron bit because of its daily usage. Now I will show you how much lead is required to fill this crate before we start using it. When we are continuously using this, then the lead on the tip becomes black because of the melting flux. When same flux melts multiple times, it becomes solidify and it will be tough to solder. So what we are doing is we will wave the soldering iron so that the lead at the tip will goes away, and we will use the scrubber to clean it, and again we will fill the tip with the lead. This much lead is required for filling this crate. So you can imagine how much lead is wasting every time. I am scaling this against a tweezer so that you can identify the length of the lead I am wasting every time. How can we fix this? This is a file. The one I used is small triangular one. You can use flat type, big or small, or even cemented rough surface. You have to rub it so that the entire crate will become flat surface. Now you can see it became perfect flat surface. You know why the tip is reddish in color? That is because soldering tips are made up of pure copper. It is the color of the copper. Every time when your soldering bit's tip forms crate, then you have to rub it, and this will shorten its length, and after some months you have to replace the soldering bit. Any doubt on this, please ask me as a comment. Now the iron is hot. I will fill it with the lead. You can see how much lead it is required now. Only this much is required. This iron is now ready for soldering. Earlier you need a lot of lead for making the iron ready for soldering, but now you need a very less amount of lead. Now we need only this much length of lead for filling the tip. You became surprised watching this, right? But to be frank, I had wondered seeing this. I had spent a lot of lead because of this crate. If you believe that this video was helpful, then please click like button. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.